I hear you breathe, that healthy breath. I know it's all of you that I get. One bedroom flat, I lock the door and put that photo of her on the floor. Been here for hours, it's getting dark, and we did everything and nothing at all. And I should leave, 'cause this is bad. Your hands make up for the love we don't have. Baby, we're wasting our youth. Down in the abyss with you. I watch you shower, so beautiful. The way the water drips on your phone. I always knew you were too good for me, and that we would never be. We share the last set cigarette. It is the least thing that I regret. Now close the door, leave you a
So we've got Liam and Rach camping next to us now. They turned up yesterday. Then we're just going to spend a few days with them. But we're going to head out now and we're going to see what we can get up to. Maybe find some four-wheel drive tracks or something to go look at.
We drove up to Tower Hill Lookout and the view was really good.
one bedroom flat. I locked the door and put that photo of her on the floor. Been here for hours, it's getting dark, and we did everything and nothing at all. And I should leave, 'cause this is bad. Your hands make up for the love we don't have.
We just got to this like a campsite where I think you could bring like a caravan and stuff down here. It's like a really good site. It's like there's water here. I reckon you'd be able to swim in it. We went across a river crossing to get here. It was actually a really good river crossing. Sorry. It wasn't that deep, I don't think, but it wasn't like really, really shallow. So this is the water. Where are we?
I don't know.
Snacks with a view.
Spicy.
That is spicy salami. So we're just walking a little bit of the steepness down from the apex lookout just because Kayana had a massive panic attack from driving in the cliffs and stuff due to the accident with the Land Cruiser. Yeah, if you haven't seen what happened then, you can go back and see what happened with our Land Cruiser. But she's got a fear of mountains and cliffs and stuff now, so we're walking down a little bit, but we might film the guys coming down.
Yeah, it's called fins. Be like round right up for horsepower.
What is it? See that? Is that normal? All that black stuff?
It's normal when you wind it up that much.
We're currently at the Pawpunka pub with Liam and Rachel and baby Ivy. So we're gonna have a shot because it's our 1 year anniversary. We have known Rach and Liam for a year now and they have little Ivy. But we're gonna celebrate it, aren't we? Yeah, let's do it. We're gonna do something.
How big is it?
Go to the top if you want.
It's more like taller and taller.
Yeah, there you go.
You'll end up.
I know you'll level it.
Yeah, I'll grow the straw.
Those two ones.
Okay. Oh,
That's really good, that one.
Good.
hey, strong.
Thanks, mate.
Oh, it is.
We're all packed up here in Bright and we're gonna head off maybe towards CARAVAN today. But yeah, we're just hooking up. Henry's had to add a couple of raises to get the van right up so we can get hooked up again, but we'll give you a look.